This walk to live is called Ayiwola Walk to Live in support of our principal, our gubernatorial candidate, in person of Asiwaju Bola Oyebamiji. So we are doing the workout to actually support him and to actually mobilize people to go and get their voters card, to register for our party membership card and all that. So we have mobilized across the 3 local governments, Iwo, Ayedire and Olalua.
We are also doing this one for the election of the Mr. President in 2027. We want people of Iwo, Olalua and Ayedire to know that we are on the ground. And come 2027, the presidential election that will come up, we are going to win landslide, and victory is certain.
We are ready to mobilize our youth across Osun West, beyond Osun West, and across the state of Osun, to mobilize everywhere to vote for our candidate, Oyebamiji, to succeed next governorship election.
Essa